What's up guys, so today we have our first non-Samsung or non-official Galaxy Fold hands-on courtesy of the YouTube channel that goes by the name of Phone of Time. The Samsung Galaxy Fold was not given to the media for the hands-on presentation, so this is actually the first ever real-world look of the Galaxy Fold. They got their hand on the AT&T F900U Galaxy Fold model. The guy basically unlocks the Galaxy Fold, which is locked on the AT&T network so that it can run a non-AT&T SIM card. But the most interesting thing about the video is actually the Galaxy Fold. So you can see that the video starts with Galaxy Fold booting up. We have the Samsung logo, then comes the AT&T logo, and then we are at the lock screen. And now the display is all black. Because of the wallpaper being black, we can see a visible crease in the middle. This is something we saw with the Huawei Mate X as well. And as you can see, it is there, it is noticeable. Then the guy wakes up the screen, it's having a beautiful butterfly wallpaper. He swipes up to unlock, and we have the One UI running as well. So the thing that I noticed immediately when he unlocks the device is when we have some colorful stuff on the display, we can't really see the crease that much as we can see on a black background. So as you can see here, the crease is visible, but as soon as he opens up the keypad, we can't really see it. I believe with black background and a certain light reflection, the crease will be visible, but it's not going to be that much obvious when we have a bright color on the displays. Then it moves on to fold it from its tablet form to its small 4.6-inch phone form factor so that you can easily put it in one hand or in your pocket. So the cover display is really small. Triple camera setup on the back looks really good with that gloss. I gotta say, I mean, there's a certain classy, businessy look of the Galaxy Fold. You can also see we have the fingerprint sensor on the side, similar to the Galaxy S10e, along with the volume rocker and Bixby key. Everything is on the right. And if you look closely, we also have a SIM card tray as well for inserting the SIM card. And since it's the AT&T device, we do have the AT&T bloatware as well, as you can see. And once again, when he opens the settings application, when everything is white, we can't see the crease on the display. Again, it's more visible with the black background. Now, interesting thing that I noticed here on the settings page is that it actually runs One UI version 1.2 compared to the 1.1 version we have on the Galaxy S10 family. So it's a bit of a difference in the number, probably because it's a tablet. It has different features like using 3 apps at the same time on one display. So in almost 15 minutes, the guy basically unlocks the phone. Then he proceeds to enter the network unlock code so that you could run any SIM card on this device. So if you get the Galaxy Fold, if you want it to be completely unlocked, this guy might be the one to go with. But anyways, the interesting thing here is the real world look of the Galaxy Fold. Again, it looks really interesting. I wish I could get my hands on this phone in the future. Also, the Galaxy S10 giveaway is still live. I'll be announcing the winner on 24th March. Check the video link in the description if you want to enter, and let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy Fold. What do you think about the Galaxy Fold's real world look? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.